possible.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great short holiday week. Yes, I got to update the news on the side. I'll get that done as soon as we look at what the markets have done overnight. As soon as I find the software to do it. There we go. NQ's been kind of choppy, came down, trying to recover now. ES high was 66.69 and its low 66.25. So it's 44 points in range. NQ 563 for the high, 361 for the low, so 202 points in range. Copper's been kind of quiet, only about 60 ticks there. Ultra bond rising up, but only about a half a point. Gold's been a little bit quiet for, well, at least for the way gold's been. Still at almost 50 points in range. Crude oil trying to get back up to the highs. Dipped all the way down to the mid 57s. Has about 80 ticks in range. Bitcoin still all the way down, just under 86K. So that's what we said, standard whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this beautiful Monday morning, just a few days before Thanksgiving. So let me quickly take a gander at the news and get that updated. It's Monday, there's like no news. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Okay. There's no business like show business. Sorry. Thank you. Hey, Crypticon, how are you? Good morning. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Glad to hear that. Do anything fun this weekend, Crypt? Hey, iMag, good to see you. Does your neighborhood make you clean up the leaves? Because it's actually better for the ecosystem to just let them go. News on the left side has been updated. And it keeps rising on up. It's moving on up. Sorry. About 30 points off its high. Well, what are you looking for? I'm at the cheapest all-in cost or the cheapest eval regardless of activation fees? Nice pop here on a Q. Hey, Jay. Take Profit Trader just announced that their Black Friday sale is 30% off, no activation fee, and then you get your eval fee refunded when you get your first payout. Well, one of the best deals going right now, and obviously, I mean, something else could pop, but Legends Elite for the 50K is $81 all in. And that's a one-time fee, so you don't even need to pass in 30 days, and there's no activation fee. And of course, you have the My Funded Futures Core at 77, but that they haven't announced the Black Friday deal. I don't know if they will. Take Profit Trader. Oh yeah, Legends is very legit. I've done an interview with the owner. I've talked to the owner a lot. He's a great guy. He owns a brokerage, I imagine, so he's like regulated by other standards far beyond what the regular prop firm standards are. Not on the elite. They're on the apprentice. Yes, on the elite, it's end of day. The elite's the one with no activation fees. Jay, are you here? I've updated the sheets if you feel like posting them whenever you have a chance. Purple candle there, but big wick. I didn't trust it. ATR is just under 10. I appreciate it. Absolutely agree. I'm mad. The only thing I didn't check on that, make sure that your country is allowed. I'm pretty sure it is, but make sure. Hey, sire, how are you? Doing well, thanks. Yeah, I'm curious of that as well. The biggest I could see Lucid doing is 50%. And it's probably the biggest I could see Tradeify doing as well, but I don't know. I don't some reason I don't expect it, but we'll see. Yeah, FFN's a great deal. Although honestly, it's no different than their normal deal. They've been running that now for 6 months with just a couple of weeks break here and there. To the point that I think that they actually should have turned it off for a little while because it's actually because it's now almost the accepted deal. Sales have actually, at least for me, have actually slowed down. No, I mean they're a good company. It's just well, the one thing people don't like is it's rhythmic. People love Tradeovate. No, and since they don't have Tradeovate, that's one issue. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that. I figured so because they have both Tradeovate and Rhythmic at Legends. So I figured you were good, but I just thought I'd make sure. Speaking of Legends, I will be streaming tonight for our evening Asia stream, and I'll be giving away a 150K Legends Elite account. Uh, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Stream starts at 7:30 Eastern time, and then I usually wait. I usually do it right in the middle of the stream when I do giveaways. It's worth losing sleep for, is it, Ahmed? Hey, John, how are you? Doing all right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took the short here off this purple candle. Struggling to get down further. Oh, there it goes.
Order filled.
Took it off there for a 6.5-point win.
Let's give thanks for our win.
I did trade last night just on a Tradingview account. I was 2 for 3 and up $300 on that account. And yes, there's a stream tonight.
Remember everyone, if you are enjoying the stream, please gore the like button.
Nice, John. Very nice. I should start paying more attention in the evenings, but then I'm always doing something else. Like last night, I ended up doing a whole bunch of baseball card sales and packing up that stuff. So I ended up getting distracted. Tries to pop back up here. It does pop back up. Second once overnight high. What company are we talking about, John? There's a pop. Apex, they have a 90-day inactivity rule now. I believe it's 90 days. It's either 90 or 180 day. But you can reset that timer just by doing one micro trade. You know, one micro trade, one tick, one contract, and that resets that timer. Legends? I'm not sure if Legends has a inactivity or not. Something I need to find out, I guess. Trying to come back down here. And it does. Didn't quite trust it, but I guess I should have. Well, part of that depends on whether you fear live accounts or not, because after a certain amount, take profit does put you live. Now, Apex does too, but it's a much higher threshold. And the other thing about Apex is they give you 100% of the first 25,000 on every account. So if you do 20 accounts of Apex, and you hit the 25,000 threshold, you're getting 100% of that. Came down a little bit. Really didn't come down astronomically there. For sure, for sure. I hit a huge autograph card over the weekend, John. There's a pop and new high day. Nick Kurtz on card auto. And we come back down. So it made a new high and then decided to fall. Looks to be anywhere between 250 and 300 bucks, John. Oh, and if you're interested, John, or if anybody's interested, I'm going to be doing a live stream on the baseball card channel tomorrow night. Good question. I don't know. There's still talk that they're going to possibly re-sign Harrison Bader, which I'm not in agreement with. There's some talks about trying to trade for Jaron Duran, trying to trade Casty and Bohm. I don't know where they're going to go. I mean, I'm hoping they re-sign Schwarber, but it's not a foregone conclusion. I mean, I really want Schwarber back. I just don't know what kind of amount he's going to get. The only good thing about the whole Schwarber thing is that the Dodgers already have a DH. So they're not in on this one. Trying to come down, kind of choppy. I don't know. Ryan Helsley was really good until he became a Met. I mean, relief pitchers can be like that. He might end up being really good again. You guys got a pretty stacked lineup. Yeah, I hate the Phillies got rid of Yearling, especially for Soto of all people. Uh, he's a seems like a really good guy and a decent player. I'm pushing downward here. Downward dog. Yoga? I have some Kevin McGonigal cards, John. He's been in Bowman and Pro Debut. Hey, JJR. Yeah, downward dog, Jay. Not that I've ever done yoga or I know anything about it. Gotta remember, Topps puts out 12 sets a year, so now, like, or more. So yeah, Bowman and Bowman Chrome deal mostly with minor leaguers, and Pro Debut is all minor leaguers. So I've opened two boxes of Pro Debut in the last week. I'll see if there's any McGonagals in there, and then I'll go back through my Bowman and see what I got. The cards I have are base cards, so at most a couple of bucks right now. I haven't pulled anything really special of his that not that I'm aware of. I'll go back and look over the holiday weekend, but so they'll just be base. I've got no problem sending you base. I think I got a couple of McCanns to send you, so I'll work on that this coming weekend. NQ not really doing a whole heck of a lot here. I've heard mostly good things about TradeSync, but I've heard a couple of bad things here and there as well. Just be careful with it. There's probably a few people in the Discord. I can't think of someone offhand, but I'm pretty sure we got some, but you know, a few people using it. If you have questions, I can like rattle up the folks in the Discord to find out who's using it. Kind of choppy right now, looking. I feel like NQ's heavy, wants to continue coming down, but not sure. Oh, there's a big drop. Tries to pop back up. So far, one win. And down we come again. About 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Last week, for the first month of the Discord engagement program, I posted up the standings yesterday. It's $250 for the person that gets the most points, and everyone else gets, for every 50 points you earn, you get one entry into other cash prizes and eval prizes. We'll be doing those drawings next Sunday, I believe. And I believe next Sunday I'll also be releasing the video, as long as I get it done in time, for the MightyOxTrading 12 Days of Christmas. This year, looks like we're going to have approximately 40 evals to give away. Plus, we're going to have a couple of surprise prizes. Surprise prizes. Say that 5 times fast. Still pushing downward now. So a quick move down, then we get a little bit choppy again. Chat's got quiet. ATR is about 8.7 right now, so it's a calmer day than it was last week for most of the week. Interesting to see how this week goes. Not a lot of news catalysts this week. I mean, this month, this today. That's what I'm trying to say. Today, tomorrow we have PPI tomorrow. Holy crap! We got PPI tomorrow. Okay, how about that? As well as consumer confidence. So a lot of news catalysts tomorrow. And Wednesday, we have jobless claims and durable goods going into the holiday. Huh. That's interesting. Natural gas inventories still come out on Thanksgiving. Big drop there down to 500, breaks it. Let's see if it can skip and stay below. Green candle did kind of catch my attention so far. I'm glad I didn't take it, but wasn't much of a candle. It's really just a stick. Actually, you guys are seeing micro there. It was red on the mini. It was, oh crap! You're not even. Well, yeah, you are seeing my trades. Okay, duh. Struggling right out this big even number of 500. Said even, not evil. All right, John, we'll see you then. Have a good day at work. Nice pop. So I shouldn't have doubted that green candle, but eh. Well, there's an absolutely scary headline. Again, from Financial Juice, even though I don't understand why it comes across Financial Juice. But anyway, the headline is, everyone was startled. Thai woman wakes up in coffin before cremation. Hey, Ace. Good morning. How was your weekend? I don't know, Jay. Which is worse, waking up? I mean, I'm not sure which would be worse, buried alive or cremated. Glad to hear that, Ace. Yes, he has. He started trading that last week, Ace. Morning, David. I believe it's just Thursday and Friday that are lumped together, David. The current wait. Yeah, the current activation fee is $40. Rising back up here in NQ. Try and get back up to a tie. Can't fly if you're high. About 20 minutes till the bell. Another nice climb back up. Ace is long. Ace is long. Attention. Attention. We're going for high day on NQ. Hey Ron, how you doing? Considered a short here, but decided not to. So far, that's a good decision.
Remember, 2 ES points a day can feed your family.
New high day on NQ as it pops up. 573.25, trying to get to 600. Good morning, USC. How are you doing? I think we're going to come down here, but I didn't take that trade. It was a green candle. It was actually a red candle on the NQ, green on the NQ. That's interesting. And it looks like it would have been a good signal. Yep, it would have been a great signal. Something got the yawns. Deutsche Bank, I think I'm saying that right, Deutsche, whatever bank, set a target of 8,000 for the S&P 500 by the end of 2026. Oh boy. Here comes NQ back down. I think we're coming down at the open. That's just my opinion. We shall see. That sounds plausible, JJR. This morning feels slow compared to the last couple of weeks. Like this first 90 minutes just dragged. Dragged? Yeah, dragged. Yeah, she hops on one foot, Ace. No. Well, USC, I was shocked when I was looking at the news lineup this morning that they scheduled PPI for tomorrow. So what's everyone's plans for Thanksgiving? Well, there's a drop there on the 5-minute till algo. And it bounces right back up. Pushing down here before the bell.
Two minutes till the bell.
Just one trade so far in the first 90 minutes. It was a winner. It was a wiener. I wish I was an Oscar Mayer wiener. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Little blue candle here right before the bell. That went away. And we pop. So much for the drop at the open. Giving it all back. Back up, up, down. Everybody turn around. Big pop. New high a day. This is why you should never follow what I think about what the market's going to do. As we are up 100 points since the bell. We've now, that big crash from Thursday, we've gotten about half, maybe even a little bit more than half of it back. See if it can sustain this run, though, up 113, 118 points now.
To the moon.
Still going. 150 points. Just hit 700. 24,701, our new high. $722 is now the high. Slowing down just a tad. Pull back to 704. Tempting me to short here, but I'm so far staying out of it. And now we're coming down. That's a pretty big drop. That's a 40-point drop so far from the high. ATR's jumped to 22 on the 1-minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Quick 10-point trade there.
That's a winner!
And I'm kind of like, I got out. Wow, did I get lucky? I got out at 669 and it went down to 667 and went back up. That was luck. That said, I did get in 8 points late, basically, because I waited to see if it wanted to come down. Okay, now it's coming back down. Nice, sire. Very nice. This may be our drop now. 5-minute chart's definitely showing a potential huge drop. Bounces off the 9. Back up. Beautiful drop. I took a short on 2 micros on topstep. Entered at 653. Out there for, oh, wow, it spiked up quick. $78 gain on 2 micros. It was up as much as $100. I just wasn't fast enough, apparently. Nice bounce there. So $78 on 4 funded accounts on topstep there. I have a Tradify eval that's now $473 away from passing. Yeah, it was 20 points exactly on that trade. I could have gotten 30. I just wasn't quick enough. I don't feel like getting up right now, Ace. No, these are evals, dude. You know, I just keep trading until I mean, if I get tired, then I stop, but yeah, well, I lie. I mean, I'm trading I'm trading an Apex eval, 2 Tradify evals, and a MyFunder Future eval. I'm actually trading 10 10 Apex funded accounts on 3 micros, and those are up $103. And then I'm up 4 funded top steps for $78. Hey, discipline here. So overall, on the funded accounts, I'm up about $1,500 on the day. Nice purple candle here. Who dare call this time of day, USC? Hey, Teo, did you know that Walmart sells a spicy pineapple pie? Yeah, I decided to just Google whether a pineapple pie existed, and this came up. Hold on. It's a little mini pie. Oops, sorry. There we go. 84 cents, at least at my Walmart. Bouncing back up here. Sire, thanks for retweeting the tweet about the live stream. Appreciate that. Oops, we gotta delete that. I didn't know they existed. I decided just to look. Well, when I launch the 12 Days of Christmas, there's going to be lots of retweeting opportunities there as well. "12 Days of Christmas" is almost set. I just need to get in contact with one other prop. And we'll have 11 days of prop giveaways, and then on the 12th day, we're going to have some surprise giveaways. I haven't finalized it yet, but I'll be announcing it. But we're talking a couple of big ticket items. Oh, excellent discipline here. Ace, I'm giving anyone that wants a Christmas ornament, I'm giving them free. I just need your address again because the place blocked your address. I can't see it. And do you want the regular one, the pineapple one, or both? I'm not worried about gifts. So are there park rangers looking for you, or hey Connor, trading is going well so far today. I mean, honestly, TL, Discord's a more direct line to me than my phone is. I can go hours without noticing a text message, and I want everyone to realize that if they do ever get my number, because I mean I don't mind text messaging. I get so much spam and stuff that I'll only notice a message if I pick up my phone for something else usually. So Discord's a way more direct line to me than my text messages. Yeah. Connor learned a long time ago that I have not. Now, I have thought about actually getting a second phone with a new number that's just for friends. Because you got to remember, this number's been through all my credit problems and all that, so I get a lot of bad calls and stuff. Even though I've fixed all my credit and stuff, I still get crap calls as the market comes down, so I ignore a lot. Email the pics, Ace. It's easier than me trying to show them on my phone if you want me to show them to the stream. Beautiful pictures. Kind of choppy now with NQ. It's kind of doing a serpentine type of thing. I'm honestly, I'm one of those rare people that I forget my phone exists sometimes. Except for when I hear it buzz and whatever. But, I often even forget to take it with me when I'm doing stuff. Which is stupid because, I'm here alone. If I fall or something, the cat's not going to call 911. Okay, we got some pictures from Ace here. Give me a minute. Since the market's going up and down, and not in a fun way. Here's some pictures, some beautiful pictures from Ace. Yeah, I got him here, Ace. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. There's the first one. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then here's the doggies. Thank you very much for sharing that, Ace. Oh, we have more. Hold on. We got, I think. Hold on. Yeah, we got more. Still watching the market, guys. Don't worry. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is the only other the new pick. That's just so pretty. I agree. Dogs are smart. And we're back up. Right now, I mean, this is kind of choppy.
Sure is choppy today.
Looking for our next trade. So far, good morning. Good morning so far. My God, you watch these videos closer to anybody I know. Ace, she might have. I haven't really looked. Do you have a problem with those rings? I'm already making some great Christmas ones. Teo's been getting to see a preview of them. Okay, but most of them don't talk or chop pineapples either, Ace. But yes, I agree. It is cruel. At least I keep the streams interesting even when the trading's boring. Well, that's disgusting, Ace. You can do it, Hassan, and good morning to you. Ebenezer Scrooge tends to disagree there, Ace. And speaking of that, I tried to make a Scrooge Ox video, and the two that I've done so far haven't come out well. Back above 700. 716 new high. No, wait. No, I'm not. I'm lying. 722 is the high. 716 is where we got to in this candle. Why not just use the minis if you need that much, Hassan? And if you have that big of a drawdown? Kat, what are you doing? Well, the only reason I'm thinking to switch this on is because 50 micros is a heck of a lot more commission than 5 minis. Okay. No, I'm not. Yeah. Okay. I'm not trying to convince you to deviate from your plan. Not 100, not at all. Now we got a new high, 732. So my call of going down at the open was totally wrong. I blame Jay because he agreed with me. Yes, Connor. Up to 749. Now for the 100 EMA, I'm sorry, the 9 EMA on the daily chart, whatever I'm trying to spit out, sitting at 765, so we could see some resistance there if we get up there. By the way, see that nice, beautiful blue candle I didn't take because, again, I just didn't notice it until right now? Ooh, gotta get that down. Don't make me change the rule to no politics, religion, or supernatural conversations. Yeah, micros are a good tool. Hey, JC, how you doing? Nice rise. Heading toward that 100 EMA on the 9 EMA on the daily chart. I'll get those numbers right eventually. Doing good. That candle was looking really good there for a second. Now it doesn't look so good. Nope, that's not a valid entry for me. Maybe it should be, but we'll see. Nope, glad I didn't take it. Well, maybe.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
There we go, another 10 points. We're now up 169 on all 10 Apex funded accounts. So that means with the topstep funded accounts, we're up about $2,000 in funded accounts today. But we're still working to get the Apex fundeds back to their starting balance. Hassan, I said that I'm up $169 on 10 Apex accounts. And then with the top step accounts being up $78 or so each, all combined between the 14 funded accounts, I'm up about $2,000 today. Yeah, it's because Bitcoin's kind of dying, Connor. It's not really making a comeback right now. I think you're going to have to just kind of sit through it for a while. No, Hassan. I admit I have been tempted to sell off Alti, but I'm going to hold it through the end of the year at least. And Q continue to come down. So we hit a high of 769. We pulled back 50 points that quick. I have started. We have channels now on the Discord for investing, stocks and ETFs, income ETFs, and crypto. Those channels are just born today. The Top Step announcement should be coming shortly about their new plans with no activation fees. Big drop here now, 100-point drop. You made the money you needed, Hassan? Nice job. That's impressive. I don't think trading with AI is immoral. I'm not sure that trading with AI right now it's profitable. I like to see the model, but I don't think it's immoral. All right, JC. Yard work. Oh, like leaves and stuff? I was gonna say I know you don't have to mow. I mean, yeah, I mean they've been using that for a while though. I mean, that's why you see the second news hits, you see the huge pop. The thing is, in my opinion, you can play those. Let the big banks and let the big algos do their thing at the news, and then play the move that the algos give you. Most of the time, those moves can be faded. G-Man, I'm not sure if he's listening in right now. He doesn't play the news, but he'll often fade it 30 seconds to a minute after for absolute huge wins. So, I think it's not immoral because it's just another trade and it's all moves that you can adjust to and make moves from those moves. All right, Hassan. Yep, we got a couple of deals that I'm going to need graphics for when you get to the office. Just look in the corporate chat. Expertise? No, I've used it, but no, I can't. Definitely not an expert at it. Are you having a problem with it, or are you looking for something are you hoping to be able to do something with it that you can't? Ace, the funny thing is his office is the library, and that's where he's going to go to work on my stuff. Ace Quant Tower is platform, trading platform like NinjaTrader, Sierra Charts, whatever. Sire, I would post on the Discord You have a better chance of finding someone there that knows Quant Tower well versus here. Just wait till we get the Mighty Ox Ventures corporate jet. Not force fun. I love that. About 45 minutes left to go. Would love to find another $278 laying on the ground here to pass this last Tradeify, or this Tradeify. Oh boy. NQ pulls back. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna push anything. I mean, it's not like, you know, I got like 3.5 weeks before this one renews, so there's no reason to push it. We're kind of choppy again here. Gold had a nice move up, coming in, approaching 4,100 as well. Or again, I should say. Whatever I'm trying to say. Fumbling over my words a lot today. I promise I'm not drunk. Ernie? Eddie? He called you Ernie. Well, whatever the paid scheme is, I need a pilot that can, you know, be able to drop the plane like 10,000 feet in 2 seconds, so I know what it feels like to actually, what NQ would actually feel like if you were riding it. Ace, you don't have to take everything literally. I didn't sit here and look to see what was survivable before I said the joke. There we go. Okay, so I want to hire 4 former, what do they call it? Navy Blue Angel flyers. Get them Jets. We'll name the Jets NQESYM and RTY. And then we'll get a 5th jet named Stop Loss, and they'll all do stunts in the air. So we're chopping around here again. Get ready. I'm going to use the choppy video again so you can all check to see if she has a nose ring.
Sure is choppy today.
I don't see a nose ring. Hey, Jay. Nice to see you. I did a video yesterday of an ox that looks like the Grinch. I figured you've been here, Jay. I just need to start saying hello to you, like, assuming you're here. We're trying to move down. I need to cut my hair. My hair is long. And when my hair gets long, the ends start to curl. Yeah, this is just going around and around on the 9. Round and round you turn me. Yeah, there's a train coming. I try to stay silent when I hear a train coming. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. And Q trying to head back up again. You can take a driving test on that chart. There's NQ, the blue candle pop. Yep, got beaten back down. I wish every day was this tradable. Looks really gloomy outside. Looks like it's gonna rain. Finally you get up. I have 3 mice over here running around my chair. The cat finally lumbers up. Dude. Jay? Are you still here? Do you know anything about Discord bots? Well, the bot, I have under the bot logs. This sounds bad. Now I can contact my bot guy that built the bot, but I don't know if he's around. Shard ID heartbeat blocked for more than 10 seconds. If you want to go in the bot logs and just tell me if you have any idea what that means and if I should be alarmed and contact my guy that wrote the bot. When I see heartbeat blocked, it sounds severe. But I am not a bot cardiologist. Back up to the, almost back up to the highs here on NQ. And new highs, 774. Do we want 800? Oh, Tio, that's awesome. We have about 20 minutes to go. Will it give us another trade? All right, Jay, thank you. And there's NQ, a new high day. It has broken through the 9 EMA on the daily chart as well. Closing in on 24,800. Got close, couldn't get it though. 798 half. Been quite the day so far in the indices. All of them headed up. Crude's been heading up. Treasuries have come down some. No plat today. Hope everything's okay there. I'm going to be processing a couple more orders for MightyOxTrading Christmas ornaments. If anybody that hasn't already told me they wants one, let me know, and I will get one out to you. Still pushing up. Did get 800. So not the day I thought we'll have here, but looking very good. My Robinhood portfolio is loving it. Oh, great. Now I need to try and recreate that in AI. So, progress here, guys, for me. You can see here, if I blow up the chart, not like with bombs or anything. Yeah, I got my brown areas, tan areas, whatever you call, red candle, red candle, red candle, or purple candle, and I didn't fall for any of them. There's been times I would have taken each one of these and gotten stopped out multiple times. I'm figuring out now where's the progress not? Look at this: blue candle, blue candle, blue candle. These three are all valid, all wins of at least 10 points, and I didn't take them. Well, he didn't tell us the status of his underwear. Just a remnant of the thing that I didn't turn off. I think. I don't know why those arrows are there. Oh, I know. Actually, I wanted to order myself some earbuds so I could turn on my alerts without it bugging the stream. Wow. Oh, wow. Quick drop here. Retreating from its high. Bounces back up. Feels like this wants to come down, but I said that before the open. Getting a little bit of a red / purple candle on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so should we be worried about RJ? He wasn't here most of last week. And not here again today. No, he didn't say anything. I don't think it's... I think if he was upset, I would see him in other streams. And I've checked the couple other streams I know he frequents. I haven't seen him there either. I didn't check today. Boom. I took a short 783. Out at 765. So at 18 points short on Top Step. The Top Step accounts are now up $150 on the day. All four. So that means altogether my funded accounts are up approximately, gets out the calculator, $2,200. He's in Canada. They don't even celebrate Thanksgiving at the same time we do. Thank you, thank you. So as we get ready to wrap up here, I am that $278 away of Tradify to pass the Tradify. That's what I'll focus on after I feed the stray cats, after I feed my cat. Getting that over, and then decide if I want to trade more. I got to contact a couple prop firms about the 12 days of Christmas. Kind of do a couple other things as well. I believe it can fly. Anyway, I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tonight. Remember, tonight, we have a live stream tonight. 7:30 Eastern time. Right? Yeah. 7:30 Eastern time. Be back here tonight for some more great trading action. We'll be giving away a Legends Elite account tonight. Have a great rest of your day. Until then, have a good one. Bye.